I used to think a grass trimmer was just a grass trimmer. Then I bought the wrong one, twice. Too heavy, battery died halfway through, line snapped every 5 minutes, and there I was, sweating, annoyed, and still staring at a messy lawn. So in this video, I'm fixing that for you. I've actually gone through the most talked about trimmers out there, and I'm counting down from 7 to 1, so you know exactly which ones are worth your money and which ones will drive you crazy instead. 7. Worx PowerShare Grass Trimmer. This thing runs on the Worx PowerShare battery platform, so if you already own Worx tools, you can swap batteries across your gear, which is pretty handy when you're hopping between jobs. The WG184 setup uses dual 20-volt batteries to punch up to a 40-volt system, giving you more power than a basic cordless toy. And that does show up when you push it through taller grass or around edges. You've got a 33-centimeter cutting diameter, soft grip main handle, and a design that converts from trimmer to edger in seconds. So yeah, on features, it definitely sounds like a win. The Worx does have a straight shaft that reaches under brush and benches easily, and that's nice when you're trying to clean up those annoying spots nobody sees until you're done. The adjustable handle and telescopic shaft give you room to dial in your height so you're not hunched over like you've aged 30 years by the time you finish. There's also their command feed system and a line feed button, so instead of smacking it on the ground, you tap to advance line, which sounds smooth when it works. In my testing, when everything behaves, you can move pretty quickly, especially around borders and paths, and it really feels like a capable mid-range cordless unit. The dual battery setup means more power, sure, but it also means more weight hanging off the shaft. Over a longer session, especially if you're not used to heavier gear, you start to feel that in your forearms and shoulders. 6. Bosch EasyGrassCut 26. This one is almost the opposite personality to the Worx. Instead of shouting about power, it quietly leans into comfort and simplicity. Corded, lightweight, and very straightforward. It runs off mains with a 280-watt motor and a 26-centimeter cutting width, so you're not dealing with batteries at all. You plug in, squeeze the trigger, and you're trimming. If your garden is small to medium and you've got access to outlets, that alone will feel refreshing compared to constantly checking battery charge. Using it, the first thing you notice is how light and balanced it feels, around 1.9 to 2.0 kilograms. Soft grip and a well-balanced layout mean you can do edges, borders, and little cleanups without feeling like you're swinging a gym workout tool. The semi-automatic spool feeds line every time you release the trigger, so you don't need to bump the head or manually adjust it. Just pause, squeeze again, and the line advances. For anyone who hates fiddly spool systems, that's a huge quality of life win. And in basic grass and weeds, the motor plus durable line give reliable cutting performance and tidy results. The Bosch is what you use when your lawn is mostly regular grass, maybe some light weeds, and you just want the edges to look neat without drama. It can switch into edging mode at the press of a button, and the cable length, around 6 meters, is workable for small yards without extension cables becoming a total nightmare. 5. Black+Decker 20V Max LST Series. These are extremely popular for a reason. They hit that good enough for most people spot with decent power, manageable weight, and an approachable price. Running on the 20V Max battery platform, they give you the freedom to walk around the yard, trim edges, and tidy up without dragging any cables behind you. When you actually use one, the first thing you notice is how approachable it feels. The shaft and handle are designed so you can pick it up with very little learning curve. It doesn't feel intimidating at all. Most models in this line have an automatic feed spool, so the line advances while you work instead of you constantly bumping the head. They typically offer a cutting width around the mid-teens inch range, plenty for residential edging and cleanup. And in normal grass and moderate weeds, they cut cleanly enough that you don't feel like you're fighting the tool. This is the "I just want my yard not to look embarrassing" trimmer. You grab it, hit the trigger, do the fronts, the driveway edges, around the patio, and you're done. Battery life on the 20V packs is reasonable. You're not mowing a field with it, but you can usually finish a typical suburban lawn on a single charge if you're not going wild. The brand familiarity also helps. Black+Decker is one of those names that many homeowners trust instinctively, especially if they're not deep into gear research. Ego Power Plus 56V 15-inch cordless. This one feels like the moment you move from homeowner tool into, okay, this could replace a small gas unit territory. The 56V battery system is legitimately strong. You can feel the torque when the head spins up, and that 15-inch cutting swath lets you cover ground faster than the smaller consumer models. In actual use, the Ego has that satisfying press the trigger and it just goes feeling. The brushless motor, on the newer units, gives you more efficiency and a smoother power delivery, so you're not dealing with random dips or surges as you cut. The larger battery pack does add weight, but the balance is handled surprisingly well. Once you get the shoulder strap and grip position right, it feels like a confident tool in your hands than a burden. With that wider cutting path, you can trim big patches of lawn and even chew through tougher weeds in fewer passes. What I really like is how it bridges the gap between homeowner convenience and near pro performance. You get the convenience of cordless, no fuel mixing, no pull starts, no fumes, but you're not sacrificing much in terms of cutting power. In many yards, this can be your main trimmer without feeling undergunned. For someone who's serious about their lawn but doesn't want to mess with gas, this sits in a nice lane. Of course, higher voltage usually means higher cost. Ego's ecosystem is pricier than entry-level cordless tools, and the battery packs are an investment you feel. Craftsman V20. This one hits a nice balance between the approachable feel of Black+Decker and the more purposeful vibe of Ego and Makita. It runs on the V20 battery platform, so if you've already got Craftsman tools, adding this to your lineup makes a lot of sense. When you pick it up, you notice immediately that it's designed for everyday use. The ergonomics are sensible, comfortable handle, decent weight distribution, and a shaft length that works for most people without needing goofy adjustments. Cutting performance on lawn edges and regular grass is confident. It bites in and keeps a steady line without fumbling. Line feed is typically automatic, keeping you trimming instead of doing little maintenance rituals every 2 minutes. For general yard maintenance, it feels trustworthy. Craftsman's V20 platform is widely used across drills, blowers, and other tools, so your batteries are never stuck serving a single gadget. That's a big win if you like reusing batteries and keeping your charging setup simple. Run time for typical homeowner jobs is respectable. You can usually do front and backyard edges and a bit of extra cleanup on one charge, depending on the battery amp tower you pick. In light to moderate weeds, it behaves predictably, no drama, no surprises. It's not trying to be a brush cutter, so yes, if you shove it into very dense growth, you'll hit its limits. But that's not really a downside, that's just using it outside its lane. Makita 18V X2 LXT. The DUR368A style trimmers that run two 18V batteries to deliver 36 volts of power plus brushless motors for maximum efficiency. If you've ever used Makita tools before, you know they're not messing around here. This feels like a professional leaning machine that still offers the convenience of cordless. Using it, the first impression is control. The brushless motor spins quickly but smoothly, and there's a very crisp sense of how the head responds to your movements. In grass, it absolutely slices, not just lightly brushes. In thicker patches and more stubborn growth, you feel the torque digging in rather than bogging. The dual battery setup gives the motor room to breathe, so you don't see sudden drop-offs in performance halfway through a cut. It feels like it always has one more push available when you need it. Makita tends to offer multiple speed modes, so you can drop the power down for quieter, lighter trimming or ramp it up when you need more bite. That alone can extend battery life and give you flexibility depending on what part of the yard you're working on. The build quality is what you'd expect: solid, precise, and made for repeated use, not just occasional weekend trims. For someone maintaining larger properties or just demanding more from their tools, this matters a lot. Sure, it's heavier than a small homeowner trimmer, but the ergonomics and balance make that weight feel intentional, not clumsy. Once you dial in the harness and your grip, you're basically steering a capable cutting head instead of wrestling a dead weight. Husqvarna Grass Trimmer 215IL. The trimmer that, in my experience, brings everything together: power, comfort, smart features, and battery ecosystem. This is a 36-volt battery-powered unit designed for all kinds of grass trimming tasks, from neat lawn edges to longer grass and more awkward spots. On paper, it looks great. In the yard, it feels even better. Let's start with the feel. The 215IL is noticeably lightweight and ergonomic, with a compact design that doesn't fight you as you move. The telescopic shaft lets you adjust the length to your height and the job, so you get a comfortable working position and easier storage after you're done. The cutting width is around 31 centimeters, which hits a very nice sweet spot: wide enough to cover ground quickly, narrow enough to stay precise around borders and tight corners. The brushless motor is really the heart of why it works so well. It's efficient, quiet, and delivers enough torque to handle more than just polite grass. You can feel that extra power when you're trimming longer grass or working near hedges and tricky areas. It doesn't hesitate like an underpowered consumer trimmer. The rapid replace trimmer head is another huge win. Instead of disassembling anything, you just reload line easily without opening the cover, which means less downtime and way less frustration. Outro. That's all for today, folks.